Cause you dey bust my good life. See as your body the ginger.
What if I told you that you can make a complete music video from lyrics to vocals then to visuals without camera, without a recording studio, and without spending a single dime? Sounds impossible, right? Well, I did, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can too, using nothing but free AI tools. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm breaking down step-by-step guide on how I created a full music video from the scratch for free. No expensive recording, no fancy camera, just a simple prompt and free online tools. Here is what you will learn in this video: how to generate lyrics, how to create realistic vocals without ever recording your voice, and how to design and animate visuals to bring the song to life. So grab your device along, because by the end of this video you will know how to create your own AI powered music video from scratch to finish. So let's dive in. So guys, to create lyrics, I'll head over to ChatGPT to create lyrics. So I'm going to input this prompt. You can screenshot the prompt or tweak it to your own taste. So ChatGPT is going to create our lyrics. So these are the lyrics that ChatGPT brought out. So as you can see, so what I will do now, I will copy these lyrics. I'll copy it, then I'll take it to Suno AI. So just go to your browser and type Suno AI after copying the lyrics. So yes, I'll head over to Suno AI, click on the first one here. It's loading. So it has come up. So I'll click, you see this orange color here, this is a music sign here, this music symbol. Just click on it. That's where you create. You click on it, then it will take you to this facing. Then you input, you paste your lyrics here. Then for style, you choose Afrobeat, because I'm using Afrobeat style. That's what I'm using. So I'm going to choose Afrobeat. You can choose hip hop, you can choose R&B, depends on the kind of music you want to, the kind of lyrics you want to create. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on create. So it's creating the song. It's going to create about 5. Some are not free, so I'm going to make use of the free one because I'm using free version of Suno AI. If you want something better or more lyrics or more lyrics, you can subscribe to Suno AI to get more. But I'm making use of the two free ones that came out for me. So I'm just going to download the song. Yeah. So now I'm going to play the song now. That's finished downloading. I'm going to play it now.
Baby, now your body be kiki. Open my heart, you get it up, go. Girl, you too sweet like Sobo. Anytime I see you, we combo. We go dance all night till the sunrise. Your smile feel like up my whole life. No lie, no lie, no lie. You too fine, make I testify. Girl, you scatter my medulla. Your love, they hide me like sugar. Now you, they make my heart to ginger. Now only you.
See now, see music. So guys, what do you think about this song? Do you know that you can actually cash out with just the lyrics? Yes, you can actually use this as a side hustle. You just be creating music, So now I'll head over to ChatGPT to create the image prompt. So this is the image prompt I'm using. So ChatGPT is just going to bring out the prompt I'm going to use I'm going to take this prompt now. I'll copy it and take it to Peak Lumen. You can use Leonardo AI, but for this tutorial I'm using Peak Lumen. So I'm going to wait for the app to come up. So once it comes up, what I will do, I'll just paste the link and put the aspect ratio to 16.9. that's in the YouTube ratio. So let me just wait for it to come up. Sorry guys, my network is bad, so that's why the thing is a little bit delayed. Okay, so here's it. So now I'm going to click on create. So click on create, then I'll paste my prompt, the prompt I got from ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it here, then set the aspect ratio. Once I'm done with that, the app is going to bring out the image. Peak Lumen, that's what I'm using. So the Peak Lumen app is going to bring out the image. It's going to create our artist. So let me just hold on for it to create the artist. So guys, don't forget to always set the aspect ratio so that I can get your desired image, especially if you're using it for YouTube. Make sure you set the aspect ratio to 16.9. so this is what I did here. Yeah, so I'll just wait for it to generate the image. Okay, that's generated the image. So I'm going to download this image. Now and head over to video creation. So I'll take this image and go to vid.io. For this tutorial I'm using vid.io. You can use Kling AI. There are so many AI tools you can use, but I'm using vid.io because it's free. So if you want a better result, you can use Kling AI, but I think that one is not free. You have to subscribe. There's no free version of that one. You have to subscribe before you can use it. There are other ones, animate.io. That one too is good too, but you have to subscribe before using it. But for this vid.io, you can use it. You can use the free version, which is also nice. So that's what I'm using in this tutorial. So once it comes up, I'm going to head over to the video creation. Also note that this vid.io, the free version doesn't create long video. So if you want to use, as in long, yes, long lyrics or long video, yes, long video. If you want to use it for your video creation, like, and the video is long, you can do it bit by bit. But if you want a longer video, you just subscribe to their app. So I'm using the free version. I'm just going to create the video I can get from it. So right now what I'll do, I'll just add the image. After adding the image, I'm going to add the lyrics. Yes, you have to add the lyrics. No, not the lyrics, the song we created on Suno AI. So I'm going to add the image and the song together. So let it load. Once it comes up, I'll pick the image and pick the sound. So I'm just going to pick the sound now. I think I've already picked the image. I'm going to pick the sound, and I'll wait for vid.io to create the visuals. So that's what I'm waiting for now. As you can see, it has already brought out the video. So I'm going to play the video right now.
Yeah, yeah. Wetin I dey feel no be small, oh. This one I dey pass my way, no.
So if you don't want the watermark to show you, subscribe to the app. Thank you.